thank you so much for being here and watching. I am very excited because I have my Ipsy Glam bag for January to open today. This is the third Ipsy subscription I've gotten in the mail this month. I already opened my Ipsy Ultimate and my Ipsy Plus, and I loved both of those, so I have really high hopes for the regular Glam bag. I'm super excited to see what's in it. Ipsy is killing it this month, I think. If you missed my other videos, I will link them down below. One of them does contain a giveaway, so if you haven't entered, definitely check it out. But yeah, so Ipsy Glam bag, this is their main bag. It's the most affordable one. It is $12 a month. You mostly get deluxe sample sizes in here, but you do get some full size, and it is totally worth the $12 in my opinion. If you guys are not yet subscribed to Ipsy, I will link them down below. So the Ipsy Glam bag comes in a mailer bag, and each month you get a bag and also 5 items. So it looks like everything fit into my bag. Sometimes there'll be items outside the bag. So here is what the bag is this month. I think it's super cute. All of the bags had this similar marble look with the pink, and I think it is just so cute. One of my favorite months for the Ipsy bags. So I love the pink with the white and gray. So cute. So there is a card. Let me get that out. The theme for all of the Ipsy subscriptions this month is Clean Slate. It says, this is your year. Say goodbye to what no longer serves you. Habits, feelings, expired mascara, and invite in the new. Start your year in a path that sets your dreams in place. And inside it talks about the items. So it tells you if it's deluxe or if it's full size, and it gives you the full size pricing and a little description. That is great. I'm just gonna grab the first thing I see in here. Looks like this might be like an eyeshadow single. I'm glad they wrap it securely so it doesn't shatter or anything like that. The video I filmed right before this one, I had an eyeshadow palette that was broken. It's so sad. Okay, open. I really wrapped this. Okay, so this is by Real Her. It's an eyeshadow in the shade Incomparable. So it says Real Her on the outside. This looks like it's a pretty nude color. Ooh, it feels so soft. I think I have one Real Her palette, but I honestly haven't reached for it probably since I did a video with it. Wow, so this pretty much like matches my skin tone. You can kind of see right here, it's a little bit darker. So this would be a good transition shade. Or if you just want a very natural look but want to like hide some of the veins and stuff in your eyes, maybe you could use it that way, but swatched well. It's not like the most exciting shade in the world, but I'm not gonna complain. It says this is a deluxe sample, and the value of the full-size palette that includes this shade is $28. And it says whether you're going natural or smoky, this matte brown shadow is a must-have for building a variety of looks. Use it all over as a base or to transition between colors. The formula blends smoothly and won't fade. Plus, each product features positive affirmations for all of us who use them. How sweet is that? I love positive affirmations. That is awesome. Next up, this is by CIT London. This is their Glow 2 Illuminating Blush in Pinch Me. I should make sure I don't already have this. But I got a blush in a recent box. Was it Ipsy or? I think it was a BoxyCharm box. And I like it. I should look. Okay, no, the one I have, the CIT London, this is a Marbled Light in Halo, so it's not even in the illuminating blush line, but if you're curious, that is what that one looks like. But we're not going to talk about that product anymore. Let's talk about Pinch Me, if I can get this box open. Sometimes I have to really rip them together. Alright, so here is what the outer packaging looks like. Oh, this is pretty. I don't know why my instinct goes to smell it, but it doesn't smell like anything. Probably because it looks like food, like gelato or something. This is pretty. Let's do a swatch. So what finger is clean? So it's like pink and yellow. So I'm not even sure if you can tell when I show you guys on my finger, but I'm gonna swatch. Oh wow, it's pretty. It's right here. I have the lights on. I can't see in the viewfinder if you guys can tell, but in person this is really pretty. So let's learn a little bit more about this. So this is a deluxe size, obviously. The full size value is $26. And it says when you want to amp up your glow in a pinch, this blush slash highlighter hybrid, it is definitely highlighty too. This hybrid from CIT London is all you need. Pinch Me is a shimmery pink coral shade that instantly wakes up your complexion and lasts for up to 12 hours. Plus the silky powder blends seamlessly into the skin, no streaks or cakiness. And then tip, it doubles as an eyeshadow, blend it all over onto the center or just in the corners of your eye. I have some blush on now, but maybe we'll try this in just a moment because I'm curious. And then we have, oh, we can try this over my lipstick too. I don't have any lip gloss on. This is by Beauty for Real, and this is what it looks like. It's a lip gloss plus shine in Nudist. Deluxe size sample, the full size would be $18. I like getting sample size because look how much product you still get in this, like of lip products. 'Cause I have so many lip products, like so many, so I don't mind getting smaller size. But anyways, it's high shine, hydrating, and has a minty feel. It's so refreshing. This may be your new go-to winter gloss. The neutral pinky shade is infused with aloe vera and avocado oil for long-lasting moisture and grapeseed oil and green tea extract to protect and deliver essential vitamins to your lips. There is a safety seal on this, so let me get it off so we can swatch. So it has a doe foot applicator. Ooh, it smells like peppermint. Like, oh, like a thin mint, kind of chocolatey too. So this looks, yeah, very sheer, like light pink. Right here. So let me grab a mirror. Oh, have I had like a little particle of something on my lip that whole video so far? My bad. So I'm gonna use the mirror from the Huda Pill that I haven't used yet. Good reminder, I need to play with this. I like it. It definitely like has a little teeny tiny tingle just because it has that peppermint effect. I actually really like when lip glosses have that peppermint smell just because I feel like it can make your like breath seem like it smells good too maybe. Next up, I'm really excited about this. This is by Glow Recipe. It's their Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. I've heard so many good things about Glow Recipe. I do have like 2 products of theirs in the watermelon line that I need to try more so I can get more of an opinion on, but just because all the hype around them, I'm definitely curious. So this is a deluxe size. The full size would be $34. It says save time with this 3-in-1 cleanser packed with antioxidant-rich blueberry. This healthy and gentle formula could be used as a makeup remover, daily wash, or a clarifying mask. The coolest part, it starts as a totally uniquely and super satisfying bouncy gel, then builds into deep cleansing bubbles. So to use it as a mask, they say apply a clean layer to skin, let it dry, and then rinse after 5 minutes. Interesting. I wouldn't think something that bubbles like that would also be a mask. So it looks like this has multi-functions. Can't wait to use it. I'm kind of curious if there's a scent, so let's see. There is a safety seal. It does smell like blueberries. Ooh, I like it. I can't wait to use this. Nice. And the last item, this was the item I chose. So with each of the Ipsy subscriptions, you get to customize one item. And I picked the Pure 4-in-1 Pressed Mineral Makeup Powder. I've had this in the past. I actually like left it at an ex's place and like never went to get it after we broke up. So I have the 4-in-1 and they gave it to me in the shade Light LN6. So hopefully that is the right shade. I think they have like 100 shades. So I don't know if it'll be the exact, but it should be close. So yeah, I try to look at the viewfinder. I can probably use a little bit of powder. Let's see how it looks. Everything that I'm swatching on my hand right now is so neutral. It looks like it should work. Probably can't tell because it matches my skin pretty well. So let's put a little bit of that on and then a little bit of the blush. But let me tell you a little bit about it first if you don't care to see a try on portion. So this is in the shade Light. It says when you need a full glow up in 5, then pressed powder from Pure will make your morning makeup routine fast and easy. It functions as a foundation, concealer, powder, and SPF all in one, and gets your skin hydrated and healthy with moisturizing shea butter and vitamin E. Plus it's great for all skin types. So it has SPF 15 in it. The full size is $29.50. So here's my... So I'm just going to use my normal powder brush and kind of just put it in there. And let's put a little bit on my face. Yeah, I could use some powder here. I tried out this new primer today and I feel like it emphasized my pores, so putting this powder on over top seems to actually be helping a lot. Yay! Awesome, I'm really happy to have this back in my collection. It's small, but seriously, I don't think I've even panned anything this size before, so, and it's really easy to fit in your purse for like nights out and stuff like that. So I think this was a great month. Let's try that blush really quick, that blush slash highlight. Which should I use with it? Should I use I'm gonna use it with my blush brush, I guess. So, ooh. So none, and then with it on. I like it. Yay, Ipsy! I love Ipsy this month. Oh my god, I think this looks so pretty. I hope it's translating on camera. And I think it goes well with like my pink shadow and stuff today. And it's glowy. I love glowy. Awesome! I'm loving it. So I am satisfied with everything. I mean, the product I'll probably use the least is this Real Her shadow, because I just am really bad about reaching for single shadows. I'm always reaching for palettes because I have so many palettes I'm trying to use and test out that I've been getting in boxes. But I will just leave this here in my tail, so maybe I can use it for, you know, like in some palettes you don't have a good transition shade. This will be perfect. Okay, I'm gonna find a use for this. It'll just be like sitting on my vanity, so when I have a palette like that, I can easily throw this on. So we got a Glow Recipe Cleanser, that's exciting. We got a gloss, it's like a perfect nude pinky gloss. I really like it, so far so good. So excited to get this pure powder, and I think it's a great shade match. So glad I have it again, and I'm loving the CIT London blush slash highlighter. I've been really liking the products I've gotten from CIT lately. I used to kind of overlook them as a brand, but I like them. And what am I missing? No, I think that was everything. 5 items, and then the cute bag. So, good month for Ipsy. I'm super happy with my bag. You guys have to let me know, are we bag twins? And if not, what did you guys get in your bags? I can't wait to hear. I hope you're as happy as I am with your bags. So anyways, thank you for being here and watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.